Como cook. Hello, kids! I see you're camping. Oh, it looks like Uba is hungry.
Uba.
Okay, let's make yummy grilled skewers with Como. The ingredients are hiding around the campsite. Let's find them. Where should we look first? The backpack. Wow, soft, spongy marshmallow. This time, let's look inside the tent. Yes, a bell pepper. The cooler looks suspicious. Wow, a plum sausage. What's under the firewood? Delicious corn. Where's the last ingredient? Wait, behind the bush? Wow, there you are, green onion. We found them all. Ew, you're dirty. Wow, the corn is clean now. Next, let's cut the bell pepper. The ingredients are prepped. Let's try catching the ingredients with the skewer. Begin! All done! Now let's cook them up. First, roast the marshmallows over the campfire. A marshmallow pull! Yum! Delicious! Let's grill the skewers for our friends. Place the skewers on the grill and pour some barbecue sauce. Should we use mayonnaise next? I guess not. Let's use yellow mustard instead. It looks like they're ready. Here you go, Gomi. Enjoy! Oh, more customers. Better hurry. For the shrimp skewer, spicy chili sauce. For the corn, barbecue sauce. And for the sausage skewer, mayonnaise. Yay! Yummy grilled skewers! Eat up, everyone! What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como! You have a special dish for today? Uba's hungry. What do you want to eat? Oh, you want sweet and savory black bean noodles. Today, we're making yummy, slurpy black bean noodles. Chef Como, let's cook. What do we need to make black bean noodles? Let's find the ingredients.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The ingredients are hiding. Come out wherever you are. I heard a sound. Was it from here?
Yay!
Found you! Refreshing and spicy green onions. Where are you? Aha! Found you! Savory potato. Oh, the cupboard! Found you! Chewy springy noodles! Let's keep looking. Where are you? Ah! The plant pot! Oh, phooey. Under here, then? Found you! Sweet and savory black bean sauce! Let's look here. Found you! Sweet, fragrant onion! How about the refrigerator? Wow! Yummy ham! Yay! We found them all! Okay, let's cook the noodles in hot water. Wow! Now strain the noodles. Chewy springy noodles are done! Next, let's chop the veggies. Good job! Plop the veggies into a pan and stir fry. Now it's time for the black bean sauce. Toss and toss. Smells so good. Finally, add the sauce to the noodles. Yay! Yummy, slurpy black bean noodles. Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Gomo. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat?
Uba.
Oh, you want French fries? Today, we're making crispy, salty French fries. Chef Gomo, let's cook! To make French fries, we need potatoes. Let's get some potatoes from the field. Don't get them confused with lookalikes. We found them all! Ew, you're filthy! Let's get washed! Now you're clean! Time to chop, chop, chop! All done! Next, we fry them up. Farting French fries! Nice and crispy! Yay! Crispy, salty, yummy French fries! Dig in, Uba! What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Gomo! Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat?
Uba.
Oh, you want a sandwich. Today we're making a sandwich with many delicious ingredients. Chef Gomo, let's cook. What do we need to make a sandwich? Let's find the ingredients. Blocks? No, we can't eat blocks. Then bread? Bingo! We need soft bread. Do we need ham? Yes, we do. What else? Chocolate? I guess not. How about cheese? Wow, correct! What about fish? No, not fish. Then lettuce?
Wow!
Yes, fresh lettuce it is. A tomato might be good too. Sweet and tart tomato. We found them all! Now let's prep the ingredients.
Yeah!
Don't forget to toast the bread. Okay, let's start building the sandwich. First, spread the sauce. The blue sauce? Ew, no. Then how about yellow mustard? Yay, bingo! Next, let's stack the ingredients. What would be good? Oh, lettuce, of course. Then, blocks? Uh-oh, that's not right. Tomato slices? Ding ding, correct. Now let's add some yummy ham. And some cheese. Let's top it off with the sauce. Brown sauce? I don't think so. Then red ketchup? Wow, good job! A yummy sandwich! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat? Oh, you want pizza. Today, we're making pizza with ham, cheese, and lots of veggies. Chef Como, let's cook. What do we need to make pizza? Let's find the ingredients. A pinwheel? No, there's no pinwheel in pizza. Mushroom? Yes, mushroom it is. Cheese? Melty cheese. What else? A crayon? No, we don't need a crayon. Green pepper? Definitely green pepper. A baby bottle? No, definitely not that. Sausage? Wow! Sausage it is! Finally, some tangy tomato sauce. Yay! We found them all! Woo! Soft and springy dough! Can you make one flat and round for us? The dough is ready! Wow, a broccoli family! Hello, sausage! Do you think you can spare some sausage?
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Yeah!
Thank you! Now let's put on the toppings. First, spread the tomato sauce on the dough. Next, the yummy ingredients. What should go first? Broccoli? Pinwheel? Yikes, not the pinwheel! Then, mushroom? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the sausage. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job! And broccoli. 1, 2, 3. Great! Green peppers too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent! What about a toy block? Oops, I guess not. Let's try olives. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woohoo! Bingo! Finally, let's sprinkle on some cheese. Good job! Now into the oven till it's nice and crispy. Yay! A yummy pizza! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time?